going to be looking at long division in a real life context. Now for this I've got my receipt from my food shop where I've got several multi-pack items and their total price. Now I'd like to know how much that makes one item cost. For instance, I've got a pack of 16 yoghurts here for £3.36 and I'd like to know how much that makes one yoghurt cost. Now this basically is me saying £3.36 divided by 16 yoghurts, and that will give me the price of one yoghurt. Now to make it simpler today, I'm going to do this in terms of pence. So I'm going to do 336 pence divided by 16 yoghurts. Now I want a nice easy group for me to work with, so I'm going to look at if every yoghurt cost 10 pence, times by 16 yoghurts would be 160 pence. So first of all, I'm going to draw out my division symbol, and I'm going to put 16 on the outside, and I'm going to put 336 on the inside, because that's the amount that I'm dividing. So now what I'm going to do is take away this first group. So I've got my group of 10p, which is 160 pence. So my first group of 10p, and I'm going to take that away. So I've got 160, and I'm going to do this just like column subtraction. So I've got 6 take away 0 gives me 6. 3 is smaller than 6, so what I need to do is regroup my hundreds column. So I'm going to change that to a 2 and regroup, so I've partitioned it, and then I'm going to move that 100 over. So that gives me 13 in my tens column. So 13 take away 6 gives me 7, and then 2 take away 1 gives me 1. That leaves me with 176, and I can see straight away I can take away another group of 10 pences. So 10 pence times by 16 yoghurts again is 160 pence. Then I circle my 10 pence to make it really clear, and I'm going to take away that 160 again. So take it away, 6 take away 0 leaves me with 6. 7 take away 6 leaves me with 1, and 1 take away 1 gives me 0. And I can see straight away that that's one group left. So I'm going to take away another one group of 16, so 1 pence each, which is 16 pence. Take away that 16. 6 take away 6 is 0, 1 take away 1 is 0, so I can see that I've got no remainders left over. Add those pence together, and that gives me 21 pence. So I can see that each yoghurt costs 21 pence. But I can also check this with my inverse using grid multiplication and see if 21 pence times by 16 yoghurts is £3.36.